Tesla delivers record-setting Q3 2022. October 3, 2022. Tesla has just released its Q3 2022 production and delivery report. So the numbers are now in. See how Tesla fared this quarter right here. At 343.830 global deliveries of the Model Y, Model 3, Model S and Model X combined. Tesla beat expectations and set a new all-time record for deliveries in a single quarter. The previous record was set by Tesla in Q1 2022 at 310,048 cars sold. In Q2 2022, Tesla delivered 254,695 cars. For Q3 2022, Tesla lists Model 3 Y deliveries at 325,158. Meanwhile, the combined Model S and Model X deliveries hit just 18,672. On the production front, the combined figure for production of all Tesla vehicles hit 365,923 in Q3 2022. The breakdown shows that the Model 3 Y accounted for 345,988 of the total production figures, leaving the Model S X at 19,935. Hopefully, this will again lead to another profitable quarter for Tesla. Tesla adds in the third quarter. We produced over 365,000 vehicles and delivered over 343,000 vehicles. Historically, our delivery volumes have skewed towards the end of each quarter due to regional batch building of cars. As our production volumes continue to grow, it is becoming increasingly challenging to secure vehicle transportation capacity and at a reasonable cost during these peak logistics weeks. In Q3, we began transitioning to a more even regional mix of vehicle builds each week, which led to an increase in cars in transit at the end of the quarter. These cars have been ordered and will be delivered to customers upon arrival at their destination. Source reposted and summarized from Eric Loveday at Inside EVs. My take: it only gets bigger from here. Tesla is rolling over the competition. Tesla Giga Berlin production 2,000 cars per week. October 3, 2022. Tesla celebrates another production-related milestone at the Giga Berlin Brandenburg plant in Grunheide near Berlin. According to the company, the plant produced 2,000 Tesla Model Y electric cars in a single week. That's 2 times more than in mid-June when the company for the very first time crossed the level of 1,000 units per week. An image shared by the company shows employees gathered around a Tesla Model Y with the number 2000 and a description 2K Model Y built at Giga Berlin this week. That's actually a big achievement, considering the challenging situation in Europe. If we extrapolate the rate of production, then it will turn out that the production already runs at some 100,000 units annually. It means that the plant should easily contribute 25,000 Model Y in the fourth quarter, potentially more, depending on the ramp-up progress. Let's recall that the Tesla's European plant is envisioned for more than 250,000 Tesla Model Y per year, according to the Q2 2022 report. Of course, this number might be potentially higher, especially if the company starts production of a second model. For reference, the Tesla Giga Shanghai is at more than 750,000 units annually after the recent upgrade. It might be even at close to 1 million per year. Currently, basically the entire output of the Tesla Giga Berlin plant is envisioned for the European market. Cars produced in Germany are equipped with 2,170 type cylindrical battery cells imported from LG Energy Solutions plant in Shanghai, at least as far as we know. At a later point, the plant is expected to produce 4680 type cylindrical battery cells and structural battery packs for the Tesla Model Y, just like in the case of the Tesla Giga Texas plant. However, even the site in Austin is currently constrained by the supply of 4680 type battery cells, and have to produce 2 types of the Model Y, one powered by the 4680 type cells, and one powered by the 2170 type battery cells. Source reposted and summarized from Mark Kane at Inside EVs. My take is Berlin and Texas ramp up. Tesla plans their next 2 Gigafactories. Tesla Optimus robot will cost less than $20,000, October 3, 2022, when Elon Musk unveiled the Tesla bot concept at the first AI Day event last year. He said they hoped to have a working prototype by the end of 2022. Many didn't believe the company would be able to achieve that goal on such a short timeline. But as promised, a working prototype was unveiled at tonight's AI Day 2022 event in California. Not only did they unveil a working prototype, they actually showed off too. Although the second one didn't quite work as much as the first one did. Yet, the first iteration, referred to as Bumblebee, think of Bumblebee from the Transformers, was built using many off-the-shelf components, and was the one that walked onto the stage at the opening of tonight's event. Visually, the robot was quite crude, but was able to perform some basic tasks like walking on stage, waving to the crowd, and even show off some dance moves. They also showed it performing some basic tasks at the Fremont factory, like delivering a package to a worker's desk, watering the plants, and doing some work on the factory floor. Bumblebee helped lay the groundwork for the next version, which Elon Musk said was actually quite close, the one that will enter production. This version of Optimus was helped onto the stage by several employees because the team hadn't quite been able to make it walk yet. But Musk said this accomplishment was likely only a few weeks away. Unlike Bumblebee, Optimus was built using many Tesla-made components like the 6 different unique actuators, knee joints, the battery, and more. Musk also stressed that by doing this it will help when it comes to producing these robots by the millions, as it will streamline production with fewer and less complex parts. Powering the Tesla bot is a 2.3 kWh battery pack, which will be enough power for a full day of tasks. It also has Wi-Fi, LTE, and the same self-driving computer found in your Tesla vehicle. Musk said the Tesla bot will cost less than $20,000 once it enters production. And when it does, it will be a fundamental transformation for civilization as we know it. When will the Tesla bot enter production? Musk didn't give a timeline tonight, but he has previously said it could be as soon as next year. Based on the ability of the Tesla bot team to meet the first deadline to develop a working prototype in just 1 year, there is a good chance they will also be able to meet this timeline. Here are a few images Tesla has released showing Optimus in more detail. You can also watch the full AI Day 2022 presentation below the photos. Source reposted and summarized from Darren John at Drive Tesla Canada. My take: this is the beginning of the disruption of everything. Tesla Semi-Alien Dreadnaught. October 3, 2022. Tesla is certainly making its intentions with its Tesla bot Optimus project known, as hinted by the Cybertruck graffiti on a Tesla Semi parked on the premises of AI Day 2022. During Tesla's Q4 2021 and full-year earnings call, Elon Musk highlighted that Optimus is one of the most important products currently in development at Tesla. Musk added that the humanoid robot would be used by Tesla in its factories, with Optimus performing tasks that are repetitive or dangerous, among others. This was depicted in the Cybertruck graffiti on a Tesla Semi parked around the site where AI Day 2022 is being held. The colorful mural shows a view of a Cybertruck production line, but instead of humans building the all-electric pickup truck, the vehicle was being assembled by Optimus. Several Optimus bots could be seen in the Tesla Semi mural, with some working on the Cybertruck's wheels and others working on the vehicle's body. It's an incredibly futuristic scene, and it's one that might very well be accurate in the near future. Interestingly enough, Optimus could become the difference maker that ultimately makes Elon Musk's alien Dreadnaught factory concept come true. During the initial Model 3 production ramp, Musk had pushed an incredibly automated system that relied on robots to build the all-electric sedan. The plan ultimately had to be scrapped, and Tesla learned a hard lesson in over-automation. Later on, Elon Musk would note that human workers are underrated, since there are simply some tasks that are easier for humans to do. Optimus, with its human-like proportions, might very well be what Tesla needs to create a real alien Dreadnaught factory. Source reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at Tesla RT. My take: looking good Elon.